How to clear data stored on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear data stored on Google Chrome mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here into top corner, and now click this one, the settings, and now go down until you find this one, site settings, and then click on it, and now go down and you will find this one here, data stored. Click on it and then just click clear all data, and then click clear. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.